Hello, this is Ankit Alex Sanzda. You are 15 CS to 58, and I'm making this video for the 8th experiment of C Sharp Lab. In this experiment, we are dealing with the concepts of threading and synchronization. So, to demonstrate these concepts, I'll be making a program for to implement a banking operation. So here I'm implementing a program where the threading concept won't allow when multiple requests to go through when the balance withdraw requests to go through when the balance goes to zero. So here's the code. So first of all, we'll make a class name bank account. It has a balance as properties and a withdraw function, using which we will withdraw an amount from the balance. So, for example, if the multiple threads send multiple requests at a time to for withdrawing, some withdraw functions may exceed the limit of the available balance, which may allow the user to withdraw more amount than the actual balance they have. So for that, we are using here synchronization concept, which is lock. So first of all, we will check whether the amount which we need to withdraw is greater than balance or not. If the amount is greater than balance available, then we notify the user that you process cannot be carried out because the balance is insufficient. But if the amount to be withdrawn is greater than the balance, then first of all we will lock the thread, lock the thread, and show it that the only that thread is can currently work on the processor. Can sorry Only that particular thread can access this part of the code, which is where we will update our balance and debit some amount that is withdrawn. So this is the locking and synchronization part of the program. To call this, we will make a few threads. So for example, here I have initialized a bank account with 1100 as balance, and at each iteration and each thread will withdraw amount of 100. So there are 15 threads, and here first of all I will make a thread object using the thread class, which is a part of system.threading. And first of all, I've made a array of 15 threads. Then I have initialized those threads with the function that need to be called, and finally I have started the thread, all 15 of them. So if we try running this program now, so as you can see, it starts with first thread. So first thread, and then it debits 100 from the account. Then the second thread starts, and then it debits another 100, and it continues till the 11th thread. After the 11th thread, the account has reached zero, and the further threads cannot debit any more amount from the balance. But if I wouldn't have done lock, then there might have been some implications that the balance might have reached less than zero, because the threads are at random, and it's chosen by the compiler which thread to run. So this is how this program will. Thank you for watching.